place to talk money. My name is Natalie, and today I want to talk about TFSA and RRSP, which are accounts registered with Canada Revenue Agency, known as CRA. So I want to give you an insight of these accounts in case that you're planning to open your first investment account. So I'll start with the TFSA. The TFSA stands for Tax-Free Savings Account, but I think it should be called Tax-Free Investment Account. Because of the name, a lot of people think that this is just a regular savings account, to earn some interest, but in fact, you can do more than that. This account was created to help Canadians save and invest money tax-free. So, the CRA will set up a contribution room for the year, so you can consult your room on their CRA website or give them a phone call. And basically, all the contributions are not tax deductible for income purposes. However, all the interest, dividends, and capital gains made within the account are tax free. This means that if you have any growth within your investments, you will not be taxed. So this account is pretty flexible in terms of withdrawals, because if you withdraw money, this will be totally tax free and you can withdraw money at any time and any amount that you want. And the good thing is that all the withdrawals that you have made, they will be added to the next year contributions room, right? Also, any unused room that you have will be also added towards the next year. You also have to keep in mind that if you exceed your contribution limit, then you will be charged a penalty of 1% per month for the exceeded amount. So it's best that you stick within the TFSA limits to avoid any penalties. And it's also good that you know that you can open as many TFSAs that you want. However, the contribution limit will stay the same for all the accounts. So for example, if you have a contribution limit of, let's say, 20,000, then if you open 3 TFSAs, the 20,000 will be for all the 3 accounts, not per account. So the next account I want to talk about is the RRSP, known as Registered Retirement Savings Plan. Now, this account was created to help Canadians save for their retirement. In terms of contributions, the contributions is also set up by CRA, so you can consult with them. And the good thing about this account is that all the contributions are tax deductible for income purposes. Say that your income is 90,000 per year, but you contributed 10,000 to your RRSP, right? So you can use that to deduct your income. So you can say that your income was 80,000 for the year, right? The one of, I will say, the disadvantages is that this account is not as flexible as the TFSA, because if you want to make withdrawals, they will be taxed as income, so you will have to pay withholding taxes and probably the registration fee. So for this reason, it's best that you do not make any withdrawals. Also, it's good that you know that any income generated within the account will be exempt for taxes as long as you hold it within the plan, and of course do not make any withdrawals. Now, there's also a penalty just like the TFSA. So if you over contribute more than 2,000 in your RRSP, you'll be charged a 1% per month for the exceeded amount. Also, you can open as many RRSP as you want, and it works the same as the TFSA. So the contribution limit is for all the accounts, not per account. Now, what are the type of investments that you can make in the TFSA and RRSP? Well, you can deposit cash, stocks, ETFs, mutual funds, bonds, GICs, options. So there is variety for the securities that you can invest within the accounts. Okay, that's everything for the video. I hope that this was useful and informative. And if you do require more information about the accounts, it's best that you consult a CRA and to have more detailed information. Now, I do want to say that I'm not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice, but I just wanted to help you understand the different account types so you can make an informed decision in case that you want to open your first investment account. Now, it is good to say as well that you do not have to pick between the TFSA and RRSP, but you do have to know their purposes to kind of match it with your investment goals. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and also leave me comments with any questions that you have down below. Also, please help me grow this community by sharing the video. I hope you are all safe at home and see you on the next video. Bye, take care.